Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today, I will be showing you how to use user input in C++, so let's get straight into it. So, what user input is kind of a way for the computer to read what you said and then print out what you said. So, let me code this. So the first thing that we're gonna make a print. So we're gonna do cout, then arrows pointing to the left. Then we're gonna do quotations, and we're gonna do choose a name for your character. And now that again. And as always, single quote \n, and boom. So this is the first step. If we save this, which is Control S or Control Shift S, and we go ahead and do start without debugging. As you can see, this is choose a name for your character as I wrote here. So that was the first step. The second step is making a variable to store what we said. So we're gonna make a string. So I'm gonna call it string name, and we don't have to do equals. We could just leave it like this. So now the next thing is to actually get the user input and then store it inside of the variable, which is called name. So how we're gonna do that is, it's called sin, so we're gonna do CIN. Then instead of cout with the arrows pointing to the left, now they're gonna be pointing to the right. And we're gonna put our variable name. So basically what this does is that it looks for a user input, and then basically it stores it inside of the variable here. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna print out the user input. So the user input can be anything. It could be a name, it could be a letter, it could be a word, a number. So in this case, I'm only gonna use a name. So I'm gonna do cout once again, arrows pointing to the left, and then with the quotations, and then we could do hello, and always with the space there whenever you're putting a variable right next to that, because you don't want the print to look all like smushed up together, and so that it looks more neat. So we're gonna do that again. Then we're gonna call out the variable name, and then we're gonna do another quotation, and we're gonna put an exclamation mark in there so that it says hello, and then whatever you chose as the name with an exclamation at the end. And now after that we're gonna do, as always, single quote \n, and then boom. So now if we save this and run it, now it says choose a name for your character, and it has the line here. And also you could see that it doesn't have all of the terminal stuff and all that stuff. So let's choose a name. Let's say Bob. And now if we press enter, it says, "Hello, Bob." So that is actually a perfect example of how to use user input in C++. You could actually use this for game development, uh, such as shops and all that other stuff. Uh, and you will have to use a lot of other variables, and I will make a video on all the types of variables in C++. So yeah, that's all for today. And also, you don't have to write exactly what I wrote here. You could change it to anything. You could say, what's your age? Or you could say, what's your favorite food? So you could really just play around with this, and you could change this as well. It doesn't have to be hello with the name and all that stuff. But that's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.